Ever wondered if you could build a thriving online store without holding any inventory? It sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you there's a way to do just that using a platform called AliDropship? A commerce landscape. In today's digital age, e-commerce has exploded. People are buying everything online, from clothes to electronics. The potential for profit in this space is immense. Dropshipping explained. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without ever owning them. When a customer places an order, you simply forward it to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in inventory. AliDropship's role. AliDropship offers a suite of tools and services that make it easy to set up and manage a dropshipping store. They provide a pre-built WordPress website, integration with AliExpress suppliers, and a range of marketing tools. Is AliDropship profitable? The potential for profit? AliDropship can be a profitable venture, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires careful planning, hard work, and a strategic approach. Factors affecting profitability. Product selection. Choosing the right products is crucial. Look for items with high demand, reasonable profit margins, and low competition. Marketing and promotion. Effective marketing is essential to attract customers. Utilize social media, SEO, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries and address any issues that arise. Competition. Be aware of the competition and differentiate your store by offering unique products, competitive pricing, or exceptional service. Case studies. Real people, real success. Highlight success stories. Share stories of individuals who have achieved success with AliDropship. This can be inspiring and provide valuable insights. Key takeaways. Analyze these success stories to identify common factors that contributed to their profitability. Learn from others. Discuss the strategies and lessons learned by these successful entrepreneurs. Challenges and considerations. Address potential pitfalls. Discuss the challenges that dropshippers may face, such as supplier issues, delays, product quality concerns, and communication problems can arise with suppliers. Shipping costs. Shipping costs can impact profit margins, especially for international orders. Customer returns. Dealing with returns and refunds can be time-consuming and costly. Competition. The dropshipping market is competitive, and it can be difficult to stand out. Tips for success. Offer practical advice. Provide actionable tips to help viewers maximize their chances of success with AliDropship. Niche down. Suggest focusing on a specific niche to differentiate your store and attract a targeted audience. Build a brand. Develop a strong brand identity to create a memorable customer experience. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated on industry trends and be willing to adjust your strategy as needed. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, reinforcing the potential for profitability with AliDropship. Encourage viewers to take the next step and start their own dropshipping business using AliDropship. Emphasize the importance of hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.